Hey kids, have you ever heard the story of how a tiny mouse saved a mighty lion? It's a super cool tale, so let's jump right in. Once upon a time in a dense green jungle there was a big, mighty lion. He was the king of the jungle and feared by all the animals. One sunny day he was taking a nap under a shady tree. Suddenly a tiny mouse came scurrying by and accidentally ran over the lion's paw. The lion woke up with a roar, and with a swift movement he trapped the mouse under his huge paw. The little mouse was so scared, he squeaked, "Please, Mr. Lion, let me go. If you spare me, I promise to help you someday." The lion laughed loudly, thinking, "How could a tiny mouse ever help me?" But he felt generous that day and decided to let the mouse go. The mouse scampered away, relieved and thankful. A few days later, the lion was out on his daily prowl when he got caught in a hunter's net. He roared and roared, but he couldn't free himself. Guess who heard his cries? Yep, it was the tiny mouse. The mouse remembered the lion's kindness and rushed to help. He nibbled and gnawed at the ropes with his sharp little teeth. Bit by bit, he chewed through the net until the lion was free. The lion was amazed and grateful once. He said, "Thank you, little mouse. You've saved my life. I'll never underestimate someone because of their size again." And from that day on, the lion and the mouse became the best of friends. The moral of the story is no act of kindness is ever wasted, and even the smallest friend can make a big difference. Thanks for listening, kids. Remember to be kind and helpful, no matter how big or small you are. See you next time.